Hello, welcome to a new Financial Eagles trading session. Hello, Miguel. Hello, everyone.
Hello, Lama. Hello, everyone. So you can see the screen, right? Okay. We will start with the Dow on the daily time frame. Okay, guys, look at this push. That's beautiful push. Okay, we reached now a trend, a daily trend. Look at this one, two, three. That's here. We will see the reaction on this trend. Okay, there was a scalps today, like more than like as scalps. Look at those candles, like opening without wicks and then pushing down. And then look at the 1 hours. Look at those push, fast push. That's a rejection. Then this it did the wick fill. Then there's a lot of rejections. So for now, as I'm gonna look at the daily, okay, we will see the close today, where it's gonna close on this trend. If it closed like this below it, and we'll show like the daily candle opening good wick as a good retracement. Look at this retracement over here. I need a good retracement. Okay. We will see how much it's going to be retracing. It might be consolidating and it starts from the night. We will see tomorrow. So we will need a good retracement, then pushing back down as a retest on this trend line. Okay, that's a daily trend and that's a strong trend. So then we can see this area and this area over here, how we go with it, okay? So for me, on the daily, the buys, I don't have buys as daily. On the lower time frame, we might have like after, for sure we will have a small retracement, but in this situation, in those pushes, okay, I wait, guys. I wait a like good confirmation, not like pushing down, then retracing, then pushing back down again, then rejecting. Sorry. So I take it more safe as I wait for this volume to be like done. And I see the retracement, good retracement. And then we start executing on the US Open. Okay. But the market is being choppy. And one down, one up, one down, one up. Okay. So those trades are beautiful for scalps. You can scalp those. Especially like this open, if it goes down, if you're going for a scalp, okay, that's a small weekend. You're gonna go sell and then close. But intraday, it might reject all this to do the wick to hit our stop loss and then push down. Okay. So for the Dow, this is it for now. I'm waiting for the sells. I will see this low and I will see the retest, how it's gonna be. Okay, 4 hours. Look at this. Always, if you want to take it as swing, intraday swing, you look 4 hours because it's more stronger than the lower time frames. If you go lower time frame, that's a mess. Okay, look at the 30 minutes, guys. Look at all this. Look at those rejections as reverse, as like a reversal it's doing, on this area, this strong area. Then this candle opened, closed below. Then this candle without a wick, one down. Look, push down, push up, push down. That's scalp. That's not like as a swing or intraday, okay? So this is it for the Dow. I'll go gold. Gold is still pushing bullish. That's a great bullish. Okay, here we had like a push, a small retracement, then a pushback. That's a small retracement, that's push. So we will see this candle. That's closing as it might close as engulfing candle. Okay, look at the 4 hours. Here we had strong even trend. One hit, second hit, third, fourth, fifth, 5 hits. Here it opened even without a wick the 4 hours and pushed like a huge volume is coming from out of nowhere. Okay, so it closed below this trend, then it broke it. Okay, so now I need it. I need like to continue as sells. I don't take sells over here until I see a better push up, a better retracement. So here we might have it like pushing up if it break this area. Let's go to the 30 minutes. And it might push up, but if the volume was low, it will not push it. It will take it and consolidate, like hit stop loss, then continue your consolidation. If there was volume, that's a good buy after all this big push. Plus this candle closed big bullish, but the volume like this here, over here, on the 30-minute, the 1 hour, if we kept respecting like here, over here, this area, and for sure this area. So kept respecting here, or if this candle like pushed down, closed bearish, so it's not gonna go for the buy. Okay, it might go for the sell as wick fill and continue to push down. Okay, so I will wait for sure for tomorrow. Like I take it as an intraday in the morning. I trade only like gold 810 and not in the days. Okay, so that's it for the gold for now. There's no sells until I see a good like close over here. Then you can take a sell for continuation. As for stronger sell, if we saw a push back up, you take the Fibonacci from this, the last push it did. Okay. Okay, you mark your zones, mark the zones. Put like this, that's the 0.5, that's 0.6 over here, the golden zone. Okay, that's put it like this. So you understand how and where are them? And if you want to take a sell after breaking this trend line, you see if you saw it pushing up and especially like it's the sniper zone, okay, 0.79%, 0.74. Okay, this is it, guys. Okay, this area, look, you see those two lines, 0.79, 0.74. So if it pushed up here, it can be taken the buy as a scalp and you leave runners. Then if you saw a reversal on the golden zone or here on this area, the sniper zone, that's a great retest. Okay, but not if you saw it like you take it immediately. Just go to the lower time frame, see the candles, how they are closing. Okay, you need a reversal candle to continue with it. Okay, so this is it for the gold for now. We go for the euro. Lovely euro. That's the first time I love the euro, honestly, guys, after I did this push. And the euro, that's a position. That's a position trade, 300 pips. And if you're opening this as a position trade, as a passive income, giving you passive income on your study, and then you're doing intraday trades, doing money, doing scalp, you know. So that's amazing. The push as weekly and daily. Push down, flag, pushing down, retracement, then breaking again here, pushing down. So it's pushing amazing technical. Here we arrived on this strong area. So I'm not expecting even like I need each day to see it by day after all this big push. Okay, because the euro is slow. So over here, I'm not taking sells anymore until I see, look at this candle, a retracement candle doing. Okay. Plus, if we saw like a more push down to those areas over here, we might have it like as a good sniper. And we will be seeing it over here, the sniper, or we will go to the lower time frame to see as a reversal. Okay, but over here, look at this trend. Look at this trend, guys. Like that's one way. You can put it like this. Look, that was like kind of fake. Look at how many hits on this one. So here, I don't take like buys over this area even because it might retrace a bit, then push down again, retrace a bit. Look how it's pushing. That's how the market. Always work with the market. Push down, you don't take anything until you see a retracement. A push down, look at this reversal candle again. That's push down. That's an intraday. Look at all this retracement over here. Then it break this trend, retested, and then didn't break like again the highs over here. You see? Then this candle closed bearish. Again, this candle going down. It did it. Here it retraced, then pushed down. Look, guys. Just follow the market. It's not that hard to follow it, especially if you want to take a swing on the euro. Okay, because it is slow. Don't like liquidate your stop losses. Okay, so this is it for the euro even. Like for now, no fixed sells, no fixed buys over this area. Okay, we go for Bitcoin. Bitcoin, look, it hit this area. It hit this trend line, guys. It kept pushing one way. It hit it. No retracement. Okay, it didn't like hit it. Retrace and then pushing back up, breaking it. It's gonna be amazing. Here, look what it happened. It pushed. Look at this push. Look at this push. Look at this push. Then, like it pushed down again. It's closed as an engulfing candle. Look at this candle, even closed as bullish. A lot of people will start taking buys over here. Okay, but there's no confirmations. Look at this daily candle again, opened and then like one way pushing down. So that's the first target activity. So we will see how much it will go down on the daily. Like it might still push to this area, and even those areas, even it might keep pushing to this trend again. Okay, look at those channel. Look at this channel, guys. It's a very strong channel. Okay, so even I'm gonna wait for it. I'm gonna put like a trend over here. Now put a trend. You will see if it. You saw it pushing down, hitting this trend, and then pushing back up. Here we have this 2 hits. It's not valid. Like we need 3 hits on the trend so it be valid. Okay, so you put the trend and you saw if it kept pushing down and you saw it hitting and rejecting on this trend again and pushing up, it might be like a good buy opportunity as inside the channel. Okay, not breaking like as for the big push. Okay, so this is it even for the Bitcoin. Joseph?
Yes. Let's move
Hello.
to GBP, JPY. Okay, so for the weekly, as we was waiting last 2 weeks to break this resistance here. So to continue the move up for the Elliott wave, so for the wave 3 and the Elliott wave, it broke it and almost made 240 pips. So for the daily, it's setting now this resistance over here and retracing it down. We will see how it will be closing. You might see a small retracement before continuing up. After this big push up today, we will see how it will be closing. If it closes below this resistance, you might see a retracement. If it continue more up and close again above it, we might see tomorrow a good confirmation to continue the bullish move. If it broke again, if tomorrow broke again today's highs. On the 4 hours, after hitting this resistance, we might have a sell from here after this close, but this candle opened without a wick up and start to go down. So we couldn't take any sell from here, no confirmation. Look on the 1 hour. We had those 3 candles trying to break down and reject, trying to break down and reject. For the candle that closed below this those low, next candle made a rejection and a reversal candle. The next one going down, the next candle made a reversal. And this candle going down without a wick. So the volume not very, very good. So we will see. You might see now a retracement until this support, or maybe this one, before continuing the bullish move. We will see the first, and also we have many news on the GBP after almost 2 hours. Tomorrow also we have news on GBP, and we have another news on GBP, and after tomorrow on GBP and JPY. So the volume not really good, but we will see how we can manage to take trade. So that's it for me. We move to Lama.
Thank you, Joseph. Can you hear me, guys? Okay. So for the GBP USD, let me share. We are still in the sell and it's still moving down big time. Yani finally, the momentum moved. We feel like we are trading. It was playing around those 2-3 days, the GU. I was like yesterday I tried to take the sell. To be honest, I took it for a few pips, but I didn't send it because we always send, you know, the trades that we are very like sure about, like more than 80% of success rate. But today I was waiting for it and I knew like it's gonna go down. So I waited for the trade, and then once it started going down, I directly like sent you the activation. So it made around 22 pips, I think, for now. Yes. From the entry, for now, 22 pips. Okay, which is very good. Though I was waiting for the buy to happen, but of course I have to go with the flow. I have to see what the market is like is giving me. That's why like we are never 100% sure. We are always like 80-90% sure that this will happen. That's why we always take both scenarios. So of course now it's still going down. I secured only 14 pips. I didn't want to take a risk. And mainly, like I told you, to only take until TP1 because the volume was like so slow and we were barely moving. So it's good, better than nothing, like comparing to like the past few days. For the news, as Joseph was like mentioning, yes, tomorrow we have news starting like 12 noon. This is 12 a.m. also. This is India time, so you can check it on your time zone. So yesterday we have high impact news on the GBP. I have to keep an eye on the market tonight to see where the candle will close, because we have to see also if tomorrow is like a big day. يعني I need to see where the direction will be headed. If it is a bearish move, a bullish move, you know. So I have to wait for like the close of tonight candle, and tomorrow I have to wake up early and check like how the market is going. But for now we are going down. Okay, so let's see what will happen with this trade. For now, like I cannot add anything because we are like during a trade. And of course, I will send on Discord the result that this study have reached, okay? So for now, we are on 22 pips. This is it for me mainly. I will move to Lydia.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Lama. So mainly as for silver, if you remember, just a moment, since last week, we were in a bullish movement. As you can see here, it's going up. This is for the daily time frame, but I'll show you first the weekly time frame. What I'm looking at by the end of this week, if this candle closed as a reversal, we're gonna be like, my Elliott wave will be confirmed as we are now in wave, like ending wave 3, and it's gonna be start pushing down for wave 4. But I'll show you for the daily time frame for this purple Elliott wave, as you can see here. Mainly now we are like done with wave 5, and I'll show you wave 5 on the Fibonacci. It has reached, oh wait, I need the extension. Okay, so we start from 2 until 3, we drag it down to wave 4. It's almost between 79 and 1. Mainly now we are done with wave 5 and we're pushing down to wave A. And I'll show you also on 4 hours how I executed my trade. Mainly we had good moves on silver since Friday and the start of this week. So mainly it has like ended, wave 5 is done, and now it's pushing down for wave A. It has closed as a reversal candle here, and today it opened, made a wick up here, and it started pushing down. I secured, and now I'm leaving runner until like my full TP. Mainly, I'll be securing again on the 0.382 Fibonacci, as like wave A is like gonna be like almost done, but it might be pushing until 0.5 Fibonacci. Here, I'll show you. Mainly, I started from wave 4 until 5. to go down. So like whenever it reaches here, if this candle open made the wick down and like closed bearish below the 0.382 Fibonacci area, then it will be like a confirmation that it will move down more for the golden zone area. So mainly I'm still in this sell, and I'm leaving runners for now. As for the daily time frame, I'm gonna see how this bearish candle will be closing. And tomorrow we're gonna have, like, we can be having another opportunity on silver if it like opened, made a wick up and like broke the previous low of this daily candle. So mainly this is it for me. I'm just gonna check the 1 hour time frame. As you can see here, it's just making a little retracement before like it continues the push down. See, I don't trade actually anymore on 1 hour because it's giving me like wrong, I'm taking wrong decisions for on the 1 hour. I'm only like focused mainly on weekly, daily, and 4 hours now. And if you can see here, like it almost rejected all this way up because it reached a very important level over here. And now like it closed like below the previous green candle. And now like it made a wick up and it's pushing down. So mainly what I'm focusing on is like the close of this daily candle to see tomorrow if I can like make an intraday trade. As this one, it's a swing trade for now. And this is it for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Lydia. Now we will move to the Q&A.